Today we're going to be learning about a new rule. This is called the Floss Rule. Now the Floss Rule is when F, L, S, or Z is heard after a short word, a short vowel. So that's our A, I, and So when you hear one of these letters after a vowel that says its regular sound, not its long sound, its short sound, you are going to double that letter. So let's take a look at the example right here. We have FF, LL, SS, ZZ, and we've seen these when we've sounded out words before. We never go, right? We just say one sound. Same thing for L, we don't go oh, we go oh. SS, we say ZZ, we say z. So you say one sound for each of these double consonants. And that's using the Floss Rule. So let's go see some examples. Let's take a look at our double F here. Here's some words that have this F sound in it. So scuff, and take a look here, we have our short vowel. So if there's the F after, we know we need to double it. Fluff, cliff, Jeff, buff, cuff, stuff, off, jiff, whiff, and bluff. So notice all of these have a short vowel in them, and they all have the double F. So let's take a look at L now. Our double consonant L, ball, stall, call, tall, skull, bill, bull, smell, tell, doll, and shell. So all of these have the double L, and there's a short vowel right before them. Let's take a look at S now. We have our double S, so we have floss, boss, mess, pass, mass, class, moss, loss, bless, kiss, and bliss. So take a look for all those short vowels right in front of our double S. And now let's look at ZZ. So ZZ, there aren't as many words, and this is actually why they call it the Floss Rule. Take a look here. I'm going to show you floss. We can look up here the word floss too. So F was one of the ones that will double. L was one of the ones that will double, and it even has the rule in here with S. So it doesn't have Z in this word, but there aren't as many words that have that double Z in it. But if you do find a word with the short vowel and Z, you're going to double the Z. So buzz, fuzz, fizz, jazz, and frizz. So that is your floss rule. So today you are going to be doing this double consonant word sort. So you're going to go through each of these words and you're going to cut them and sort them by the ending. So we're going to use the floss rule. We can tell that each of these has a short vowel. You can even circle those short vowels if you want so you notice them. And you're going to put it in its correct home. So is it a double L, a double F, a double S, or a double Z? When you're done, make sure you take a picture